Right, so I am hoping this is a more effective way of replacing the fog light bulb, which is out on this side. Second time it's gone in the time that I've had it. On YouTube, their recommended way of taking this out is jacking the car up, taking this wheel off, and then there's like a little access panel within the wheel arch. It was an absolute pain, and I really didn't enjoy the experience. So I think there is a better, more effective way of changing this fog light bulb. So here's my attempt, and I hope it's successful. So I believe that this is shroud is just clipped on, this plastic shroud. So I'm thinking if hang on, yep, there we go. That looks like it's broken off before, but yeah, just to clip onto a slide and a pull, and then exposes what looks to be two T25s, two T20s. So let's see. Oh, come on. There we go. Look at that T-bit. T20. Let's try that. Ratchet. Let's get an extension. Extension bar and our adapter. So that in there. That's in there. Quad drive. Okay. Yeah, so it's just like a standard T20 plastic clip, or screw should I say. God, this is awkward, I can't see. There we go. I'm hoping this will, going to this effort, I can actually have enough play within the housing. Oh shit. So looks like there's another one there. How easy these will be to can't quite see there. There we go. How easy these will be to put back, even if it is correct. We will see. Am I actually undoing that? Has that come out? And that looks like it's got it and dropped it out. So let's see if we can persuade the fog light housing to come through here. There we go. And there's the screw. So getting this in, getting it out is a challenge. Here's my screwdriver. Getting it out is a challenge. Getting it in is even a greater challenge, I'm assuming. So that's that out. I'm assuming these just clip off. I mean, I just can't believe trying to do this from the other side would have been an absolute nightmare. Clip there, clip there, another clip somewhere. Oh, yeah, clip there. Okay, so we've got the ballast. Looks like two spring-loaded clips. Oh, yeah. Right, let's get this ball. So this is an H7 halogen globe. Exactly the same as this one. You can see that's definitely blown. I think it's definitely blown. So just let me figure out. Hang on. Just want to do a quick continuity twist. It doesn't look like it's blown. Sorry, all fingers and thumbs. I'm assuming it has blown. Yeah, that's blown. Let's open this one. And the key is to not touch the globe. Easier said than done. So I'm just grabbing it by the metal base. Just want to do a quick continuity test on this. Make sure. So you can see it. That's a good bulb. Leave it there. Don't roll away. I'm sure there's clarity on here, but there's the same coloured wires. Okay. So I've just reattached, just reconnected the bulb and looking to see how this gets orientated. Okay. Now we need to depress these clips. Okay. And then I'll orientate it the right way, make sure we don't catch anything. One clip, two clips, and that one is already on, I believe. Okay, so the bulb is now back in. So the trick is to at least get it started by pushing the screw into the housing. Before we do that, perfect. Okay, let's now cinch this up. Right, this one, be super careful. Let's get this in and then we'll cinch some more up, so super careful. Now let's get the shroud. and so get it pushed in and push it in and to the left. Boom. And there you go. Boom. Okay, awesome. That's it for now. Much easier way of doing it than getting the back, even though it's a bit awkward with those screws. And I think we're all good. Cheers, guys.